When you get to the testing stage of the IR transmitter to IR receiver and you connect them up, basically I'm just using a 9-volt battery as a current limited testing source. Long term you're probably not going to want to run this off a 9-volt because the battery just will go dead so quick. You just want to hook power and ground from power supply, 9-volt in this case, to ground and power, and then connect the two modules together so ground hooks to minus on the battery, signal hooks to signal, and then V plus hooks to V plus, which hooks to the positive side of the battery. The first thing to look for, 2 green LEDs on, which means nothing's shorted, wired backwards, so on and so forth. And then the second thing, you just want to take a random remote control, this is an infrared remote for my screen, and push the button and notice that the 2 LEDs are blinking and they're blinking in sync, which tells you everything's working. The only thing this doesn't check is the output from this LED. So if you get this all put together and wired in and it doesn't work, the first thing to suspect is this transistor, this resistor, or that infrared LED is bad. And here I have another remote control from my radio receiver, and as you can see, it doesn't really matter, it still works. And if I go way out here with the remote, halfway across my thing, it still works. So there you have it. That is the testing procedure for the IRTX and IRRX.